let's talk about the literary devices personal experience and anecdotes. Arguments made from personal experience are powerful. They work on the emotional storytelling part of your brain. A friend might tell you that she was walking home one night after a party, enjoying the fresh air, when suddenly a homeless man jumped out of the shadows with a knife. Terrified, she turned around and ran straight back to the party, where she shared a taxi with one of her close friends. Based on this experience, your friend tells you that all homeless people are dangerous and it's important to stay away from them. There's no disputing your friend's story. Even though it's impossible to verify, it's probably true. But what about her final point, that all homeless people are dangerous? Is that true? Certainly there are some dangerous homeless people, but she is generalizing based on a negative experience. To truly know how dangerous homeless people are, we'll need some statistics, something more than a personal story. All this to say that personal stories are effective but limited in their ability to change minds. When paired with empirical evidence or more rational, logical arguments, personal stories serve as a wonderful way to introduce your listener to your subject and make a strong first impression. An anecdote is similar to a personal experience. It's a short, interesting story related to the topic at hand. Here's an example of an anecdote that helps make the argument that dogs are excellent pets. Dogs are wonderful creatures. My good friend Michael had a German Shepherd for many years, a companion who stood by him through thick and thin. Once, as they walked through an overgrown part of town, the dog suddenly began barking. Michael couldn't understand why. Later, however, he discovered coyote tracks in the mud. The dog had barked to protect him and scare off the predators.